Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Abby from K-pop Demon Hunter in Trust and Trust. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it pink. And then you can copy my adjustment. Okay, for the position, rotate, and then scale. And then put on this hairstyle as well, make it pink. And then this hat, make it no ears, and then you're going to do this adjustment. And for the color, you're going to make it mustard hat or mustard color, sorry. And then let's move to the makeup. I'm using custom makeup here and I'm going to show you. The first one, for the eyes, you're going to choose, you're going to choose this one. And then for the eyebrows, choose this eyebrow, and then this lip and the contour, and then you're going to choose the nose. Okay, this one. And the next one guys, I'm going to put on this shirt, the polo shirt, and then you're going to apply this pattern for all the selection. And then you're going to put on this belt. You're going to make it black and then make it this color for the second selection. And the next one, I'm going to put on the jeans here. I'm just going to pick this one and then I'm going to make it greener. Make it more green, guys. Okay, but just a little bit. And then I'm going to go to the shoes area and put on the sneaker. And then you're going to make it pink and yellow or gold and also blue. Okay, and after that, you will have the Abby's look in Trust and Press. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.